and add like terms. In this informational video, I am going to talk about demonstrating examples of applying the distributive property, identifying like terms and unlike terms, and finally relevant terms such as coefficients. Now I'm going to talk about what the distributive property is. For your information, the distributive property is a rule in math that shows how multiplication interacts with addition and subtraction. In other words, you multiply the number outside the parenthesis by each number inside the parenthesis. It's a useful property for simplifying expressions and solving equations. Now, what is a term? A term is a single part of an expression that can be a number, a variable, or a number multiplied by a variable. Did you know there are like terms and unlike terms? Like terms have exactly the same variable raised to the same power. Unlike terms have different variables or the same variable but raised to a different power. You cannot combine unlike terms. The coefficient is the number in front of the variable in a term such as 3x. All right, now let's talk about and give examples of how you can use the distributive property. So do 3 times 4 plus 5 equals 3 times 4 plus 3 times 5. Now try to do that on your own. If you got 12 plus 15 equals 27, then you are 101% correct. All right, well, it's time to wrap this burrito up. Farewell, and I hope you learned something. Now goodbye and scram.